Product is neither matte nor dewy. It is more on the dewy side, but you cannot call it matte. It gives a beautiful finish to the skin. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Kolkata Chick, and I am going to end this year 2020 with a review of a beautiful product that has worked beautifully on my skin, and that was a tongue twister. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So today I am going to talk about a makeup product that is a foundation which is superb. Believe me guys, it is superb, and I am talking about this one. This is full coverage 2-in-1 foundation and concealer by the brand Kiko Milano, and this Kiko Milano is very famous. I have used their lipsticks and I have used their liners, but this was my first try on the foundation and I completely fell in love with the foundation. And you are getting 25 ml of this product, and this has a plain black matte kind of cardboard packaging, and this is for 25 ml. The quantity is less compared to other foundation like Maybelline Fit Me or even the MAC. This is obviously a high-end product because it is priced at rupees 2200 or 2300, and you can get it in Nykaa for around 1700 or 1800 during the sale, or else you will have to buy this for 2200. And my shade in this foundation is N80, which has completely suited my skin tone, and I'm very happy with this purchase because sometimes we are not in mood to do heavy makeup, so we can use it as concealer also without having to use it as a foundation. This foundation comes in a glass bottle and it has black cover or black top, but one low point I found in this foundation is that it has no pump, which is not hygienic at all because we are getting a wand system, and I think this is not hygienic for a pimple prone skin like mine. Otherwise it's good, and it's for 25 ml, and this two other low point of this foundation, one is it doesn't has pump, and second it is 25 ml, which is comparatively less compared to the other brand foundation. Now let me show you a demo how it works. So I have applied nothing on my face. I have just applied an eyeliner and a lipstick. So I will first prep my skin. I have used the toner. Now I am using a hyaluronic acid serum. You have to remember that moisturizing is very essential, and you have to moisturize your skin before applying this foundation because it gives you a sheen when you apply this foundation. You can use a makeup sponge or you can use a brush. I am using a brush. So can you see my pimples, spots here? So I'll be concealing it. Let me show you. Before doing the whole face makeup, let me show you how it acts as a concealer. And this has a buildable coverage. You can build up more and more. It is a high coverage foundation. Just don't drag it, just do it like this, or you can also use a sponge, makeup sponge for this. You see how tiny bit I have used, and see how it concealed my dark spots and pimple spots efficiently. This has a buildable coverage, but little amount is enough. Now I'll show you the whole face makeup with this. You can also use it as a under eye concealer. So you can see I have just applied one stroke of this foundation, and how beautifully it has covered all my pimple marks and scars, and it has given me a radiant look, a shiny look, and without the use of the highlighter. You can see I would suggest all of you, if you want to invest in some high-end product, please do buy this, because this is worth a try, and it is a lovely foundation, especially for the people who has scar marks or acne marks or has pimple marks. They can easily get rid of this with this foundation. This is a high coverage foundation, but you can but this is buildable. Of course this is buildable, so you can use a little amount also. If you do not have so many scars, and if your skin is very good, then you need a very teeny tiny amount of this product. Believe me guys, this product was magical for me in the year 2020. I discovered this product and this worked magical for me. Comment in the comment section below that which product worked magically for your skin in the year 2020. And Happy New Year guys. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share my channel. Love you.